Hi guys, my name is Georgi. I'm one of the directors of Nurse Assist International, or NAI as you would know. We are the Australia's leading Osce and NCLEX training centers. Ever since AHPRA announced the OBA pathway for overseas qualified nurses, NAI has been the pioneers in providing the NCLEX and Osce training. We've been in business since 2019, and I'm very proud to say that we have had more than 8,000 to 9,000 internationally qualified nurses taking the training with us, and proudly are Australian registered nurses at the moment. I'm in our Melbourne lab and we are currently training for the February exams. In a nutshell, what we do is we make sure that our students are ready to face the AHPRA examiners. We provide them 24/7 lab access. We have very extensive online classes. Every online class is taken by a subject matter expert in that field. And then once they finish the 2 weeks of online classes, they come for the 1 week of face-to-face training. Now we have labs in Melbourne, in Sydney, Brisbane, Adelaide, and in Manila in Philippines. We also conduct our face-to-face in the Middle East in Abu Dhabi. So we have students from all over the world. One of the things that students talk about us is this is like World Health Organization. So you meet students from different ethnicities, different nationalities, different color, creed, race. So it's as good as being in an Australian healthcare facility where you have a multitude of nationalities at work. So this gives students an exposure on dealing with their stranger anxiety and performance anxiety and stuff like that. Now, talking about our face-to-face training, it's 5 days of intensive face-to-face training. Again, all the topics are taught by Australian nursing educators who work in Australian healthcare industry, many years of experience. And our program is a tailor-made program, custom-made to meet the requirements of AHPRA, and it enables our students to pass Osce in flying colors. Just to give you a brief estimate on how many passes we have, we just recently received our November and December exam results. We have close to more than 160 students passing the exam combined in November and December. So it's very effective. So we look at the student from a holistic point of view. We nurture their clinical skills, we nurture their communication skills, we pump their confidence so that they are not scared of anything when they stand in front of the Osce examiner. So NAI students are the best, and they always shine in Australian healthcare industry. Many of our students are working as Australian registered nurses, clinical nurse specialists, clinical nurse educators, nurse unit managers all across Australia. And I'm very proud to be a part of NAI, and I would like to welcome you all to come and join us to make your Australian dreams come true. Thank you.